Nearly 10 months after ISRO's failed attempt to soft land Vikram, the lander on Chandrayaan-2 mission that was carrying a rover, Pragyan, new images from NASA have rekindled interest in the mission. A Chennai-based space enthusiast Shanmugha Subramanian, who in December 2019 had found Chandrayaan-2's Vikram lander's debris on Moon, has now said that Chandrayaan-2's rover Pragyan seems to be intact on the Moon's surface and had rolled out a few meters from the lander. In a series of tweets along with the pictures of the Moon's surface, Subramanian said, Chandrayaan-2's Pragyan rover intact on Moon's surface and has rolled out few meters from the skeleton Vikram lander whose payloads got disintegrated due to rough landing. 1. Debris I found was of Langumir probe from the Vikram lander. 2. Debris NASA found might be from other payloads, antenna, retro-braking engines, solar panels on site etc. 3. Rover has rolled out from lander and has actually traveled few meters from the surface, he said in another tweet. Subramanian said that it was difficult to detect the rover because it is present on the south pole of the Moon, which is not always well lit. South pole region is not always well lit and the lander was in a shallow depth of 2 milliseconds from the surface, so it was not visible on November 11th's NASA flyby due to different angle of incidence and would be difficult for anyone to find it unless the sun is directly above the surface. Latest pictures from LRO, Jan 4, 2020, showed rover tracks on the Moon from the lander. He further tweeted, "It seems the commands were sent to lander blindly for days and there is a distinct possibility that lander could have received commands and relayed it to the rover. But lander was not able to communicate it back to the Earth." On these recent developments, ISRO chairman K. Sivan was quoted in news report as "We've heard nothing from NASA so far on the matter. But yes, the person who had identified Vikram debris earlier has sent us an email about this. Our specialists are looking into the matter and we cannot say anything at this juncture." Vikram lost contact with ISRO following its launch from Chandrayaan-2 Moon orbiter on September 6 last year when it tried to make soft landing near the Moon's south pole. Pragyan was expected to examine the surface of the Moon.